Okay? So now, the bullet end of the round has to point where it's going to come out. Okay? So, as you pull it out of your mag holder or whatever, if you happen to get it in your hand wrong, okay, that's not going to work. Okay? Take this index finger and put it up alongside the mag. Okay? Because now your finger is going to kind of point where it goes, right? And so, insert. I like to keep my gun at an angle, kind of laying on the side. And the reason for that is it doesn't fall out. Okay, that isn't, you know, etched in stone. You don't have to do that, but I like it that way because it won't fall out on the ground. Then I can just slap it in there, right?
Okay.
So I'm picking up the gun, I'm making sure my finger's in it, so I'm going to look to the side where there's the mag release.
Okay.
So we'll press it, release
Did
it,
you give her an
put it
opportunity?
back forward,
I did that.
Awesome.
in the chamber, look at it again, so 1, 2, 3, pull it back,
Yeah, that's right.
then I'll pull it back. If I can here, and
Okay.
Okay.
pull it
Now,
out.
do you need to trip the trigger
I'm
again?
hitting this
Yes.
to put it up into the safe.
What did I do wrong?
You didn't drop the mag first.
Oh,
Yeah.
that's right.
Yeah.
You're right. Yeah, you're right.
Yeah. But now what you do?
Drop them in.
Yeah, there you go.
Just like
Okay. Now you're going to be able to rack the slides through it 3 times and show you, yeah, that it's clear. And then what?
And then
somebody else comes by, they're in the same position.
The reason that is
That, okay?
That.
Now it's, you know that it's safe to handle.
okay.
your last round.
So, proper stance, proper grip, okay? Get the eye on the target, bring the gun up into your line of sight. Don't, you know, bring the gun up there and then try to find the sights. Okay? Bring the gun up into your sights, to your line of sight. So, that's the motion. So you want the barrel level with the ground as much as you possibly can, going straight out to the target, right? Okay? Pull it in tight. Just pull it in tight. And now push it out toward the target and fire. Okay, get your thumbs right. Fill up that space.
My thumbs.
Yeah, there you go. That's what you want. Sometimes there's some different. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay? 4, 3, 2, 1. All right. Now we're going to use the circ pistols. You're going to get holster belts on and stuff, okay? And we're going to do this for real. So you're going to get on target, shoot your laser at the little black dot. 1, 2, 3. Is in here. 3, 4. Join hands. That's 5. 4 is right here. Okay? So you can shoot from 3 different places. From here, you can shoot. From here, you can shoot. From there, you can shoot. Or anywhere along the line. Right? Okay? Out and shoot and back. Okay. Be careful of this. Okay? I want to see the barrel of the gun level with the ground right now. Okay? Push it out, level with the ground, and bring it back in. Okay, out, shoot, bring it back in. Okay, get a proper stance. Okay, out and shoot and back in. Quickly, out and shoot. Okay, how close are you getting to the target? Pretty close?
Hitting the wall.
Wall's good. Okay, and reholster.